Hey guys, what is up? It is me, Fired Phoenix here again today, and we are going to be doing some trading on Save the World. So let's go. Can I have edits and host? Thanks. So anyway, what do you want to trade? What are those? So it's wait, what's that? What's that? I know it. The sniper rifle. I know it's the legendary version of its hunter killer. Yeah, that one. What durability is that? The Raptor. Yeah, the Raptor. What durability is it? Full. What level? .49 full durability hunter killer. Do you have any other good guns? What's that? I can't see. Oh, Tiger. Oh, I have it there. Look, this gun. I have that in level 68. What's that? Wait, actually. Can I just look at... What's that in your hand right now? I can craft it, so literally right now I can craft one. But what was that hunter killer that you were holding out? Yeah, that one. Raptor, sorry, yeah. I just call it the hunter killer because like it's the only thing I can know. Oh. Wait, actually, do you have any rotating gizmos? For 25, I would trade you this level 62 Haywire Storm. Alright then, what about this level 44 Dragon's Roar? And it's just a tiny bit off of durability. Would you do that for 25 rotating gizmos? Because do you have silver? Yeah, I have silver. What, do you want some silver for rotating gizmos? Do you want the level 44 Dragon's Rifle? It's just a tiny bit off of full durability. I barely even use it because I have better guns. Yeah, I barely even use it because I have better guns. But, yeah. Oh, what's my YouTube? You're gonna have to type up Fired Phoenix 666, F capitalized and P capitalized, and then Scammer Get Scammed. It's like, that's how you like search it up. I don't know why it doesn't come up as my normal YouTube account, but you know. Can't see that. Is that a baseball bat? Can I just see what that is? A Klax. Can I possibly hold it? Thanks. Oh. It's pretty good. Yeah, I'm quite trusty. Like, I can be trusted. Can I wait, let me just get out a sniper quickly. No, I do not have a sniper. I'll just quickly craft one, to be honest. Yada yada, if you can craft, if you can. There we go. Can I see what levels those are? 49 and 49. Wait, hold on. I was thinking of trading for this Phantos Raptor, which is 4 levels here, right? Alright. Do you want to trade for that Raptor? Yeah, what do you want? Silver? How much? For a, not... For a hunter, it is... actually... 12 silver, so I could give you 16 silver. Would you do that? Come up to the window. Wait, am I making a arch or am I making a door? Alright. Go. Oh, it's already in my inventory. GG, dude. Wait. On my world, if you want, we can go on my world, and I have like all of my guns. Literally, I barely have anything in my inventory at this moment because I only carry a couple guns when I'm doing trading. So if you want, we can go back to my world, and like I can show you all of my guns, and like then we can actually do like a proper like full-on trade, like 7 for 7 or something. All right, can you just try and add me quickly? Like type up my name in the thingy, and then add me. Could you possibly give me the metal for it? I don't have any metal. Open. Go down to outgoing. No, it's not on there, and it's friend request. Accept. There we go. Alright. Right, should we go on my world now? I don't have metal to upgrade. That's why I asked you. Oh, alright. I could upgrade the floors. You know what, who cares? I only have 700, but... Oh! Who's that? Wait, are you Ice 5 Eyes friend? Oh yeah, true. Do you want to trade with me or him? Because I have high-powered guns, but I don't know if he has higher. I have. Wait, what level is it? Alright then, I have 106 Dragon's Roar and a 106 Bolt. Look, this is 106 and this is 106. Look, dude, this is 106, this is 106. If you want 130s, then I can give you 130s. Alright, that's 130. That's 130. And that's 130. Bag it. Alright, so should we go on my world? Wait, do you have any people who have scammed you and you've added them? Oh, because I would have scammed them back for you. By the way, guys, the reason why I was saying I had the 106 and 130s was because I knew that guy was a scammer because of the level that he was. See you guys when we get into my world. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so what do you wanna trade? I have like 58s and stuff now. What? So 58. Wait, is that helium shotguns? Oh. 49. Do you have any like other guns? Judge 58. Tigers I like. Mine's level 49 and they are pretty satisfying to like shoot with. I don't know why. Oh, but that bolt action. What level's that bolt action? To be honest, I trust you enough to like we can just stand here, to be honest. What, so when you get to silver upgrade, that's what happens. That's what it looks like. Where is it? It's level 34. To me, it just looks like this. Or maybe it's just because of that character, like it gives the gun skins. Do you have any materials? Like, I know that you have, right. How many active power cells and how many rotating gizmos do you have? I know that you have 65 on rotating gizmos, but how many active power cells? 14. Alright. What? Wait, is that how many you have? Alright, yeah. So, what about 5 rotating gizmos? No, 5 active power cells and 22 rotating gizmos for a level 20 Husk Stomper, yeah, Husk Stomper, and which is level 20, and then a level 34 pistol. Alright then, what about